Today I'm going to show you how to change the background image using Elementor step by step in a way that's quick, simple, and beginner friendly. If you're building a website and want to add more style, improve your design, or make a section stand out with a custom background image, this tutorial will walk you through exactly what to do. By the end, you'll know how to choose the right container or section, upload your image, adjust the settings properly, and publish your changes so everything looks clean and professional. If this video helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more easy WordPress and Elementor tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your Elementor editor page. This is the page where you can edit the layout and design of your website visually without needing to touch code. Once the editor loads, look for the container or section where you want the background image to appear. This part is important because the background image will only apply to the specific area you select, so make sure you click the exact container or section you want to customize. After selecting the target area, look at the panel on the left side of the screen. This is where Elementor gives you all the design controls for that section. From there, click on the Style tab. The Style tab is where you can control the visual appearance of your selected section, including colors, borders, spacing, and background settings. Now scroll down until you find the background section. Inside that area, look for background type. You'll usually see a few options, but for an image background, you want to click the classic option, which is typically shown with a paintbrush icon. Once you select classic, the image options will appear. Now it's time to insert your image. In the image field, click the plus icon or the image placeholder. This will open your media library, where you can either choose an existing image or upload a new one from your computer. Pick the image you want to use as your background, then apply it to the section. After that, the next part is adjusting the image settings so the background looks good on the page. First, go to Position and set it to Center. This helps keep the main part of the image focused in the middle of the section, which usually gives the best visual result. Next, look at Attachment. You can choose Scroll if you want the background to move normally with the page, or choose Fixed if you want a more dramatic, parallax-like effect where the background stays in place as you scroll. Then move on to Repeat and set it to No Repeat. This is very important because it prevents the image from tiling over and over across the section. Finally, set the display size to Cover. This makes sure the background image fills the entire container or section properly without leaving awkward empty spaces. It also helps the image scale nicely across different screen sizes, which is great for responsive design. Once everything looks the way you want, take one final look at the section to make sure the image is centered, readable, and not stretched in an odd way. If needed, you can go back and fine-tune the settings until it matches your design. When you're happy with it, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click Publish to save your changes. That's the final step, and it makes your new background image live on your website. And that's it. You've now learned how to change a background image using Elementor. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can make a huge difference in how professional your website looks. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more Elementor tips, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next.